Okay, we're ready to get started on our activity today, and we're going to be doing a science experiment with water. Water, I think, is a pretty underrated tool for encouraging your kiddos to explore and play. There's so many different ways to do science experiments and predictions and discovery just with water and maybe a few extra little things. So I hope you get a chance to do some playing and discovering with water today. We're going to be doing a walking water experiment, which I'm sure you might have seen on Pinterest or on Facebook, all the different at-home science experiments that you can do. This one's pretty popular. And I like it because it kind of feeds off of our color mixing unit that we did back in March in the classroom, which kiddos always have so much fun with because it's you can see it's so visual and pretty easy to kind of make those connections. So um, let's get started. So all you're gonna need is some paper towels and 3 different containers. I'm just using little plastic cups. You can use jars, cups, bowls, whatever you have on hand, and you don't have to limit it to 3. You can have I've seen whole rings of them. They do the whole color wheel. But I think at least 3 is probably good if you want to kind of do the color mixing piece of it. At least 3 is a good place to start. So all I did was I have my paper towels here. I just folded them into fourths. I kind of tucked on the ends in together so that it doesn't come unfolded super easy. And before we put our paper towels in, I wanted to pour the water into my cups. I have a pitcher of water here. I'm going to put same amount of water in each of them. Probably maybe a little more than halfway filled up. You just need it enough so that paper towels can be kind of fully submerged in it after put the paper towels in. So fills up my cups with their water, and I'm going to be using blue and yellow colors today. I'm going to make this cup over here blue, a few drops of food coloring in there. Oh, there it goes. I'm going to mix it up. It always looks so cool when you first put it in there. Make it nice and blue. And then, that dries off, so don't turn my other one different colors. I probably should have done this the other way. I'm going to make my other one yellow. A couple drops in there. And I'm going to leave the middle cup just clear. I'm not going to put any colors in that one because that's going to kind of be our color mixing cup, and it's kind of going to show us, it's going to make the experiment even more visual for the kiddos. So kind of I recommend picking 2 colors that kind of make one color together, like any of the 3 primary colors. You can let your kiddos pick which colors they want to put together, and maybe make a prediction what color you think you're going to get in the middle cup once everything starts working. So after you get all your cups colored the way you want, you're going to take your paper towels and you're going to put one end in one of the cups, one end in the other cup, and then you're going to kind of fold it and put it in the middle cup. And it works pretty fast. This is probably one you want to let sit over the course of a day and kind of observe and let your kiddos watch and see how it changes over time. Maybe make some predictions on if it's going to look different later, or if it's going to look the same. Like I said, this is a very visual experiment. That's why I like it, because visuals are always a great way for kiddos to learn, because it's very concrete right in front of them for them to see. And I'm not going to ruin it for you. I'm going to let you do this at home to kind of find out what happens with the middle cup here. But I hope you have fun and have the chance to do this experiment at home with your kiddos. Like I said, this is one of those you can do a whole ring of cups if you want to. You can do multiple combinations. Let's say you have a couple kiddos at home and one wants to put blue and yellow together and one wants to put blue and red together, and kind of play around with different combinations and see what you get. But this is a very basic, very easy little experiment that I hope you get a chance to do at home. But thank you so much for joining me today, friends. This is our last day for the week. We have 2 days off for the weekend, and then when you come back next week, we're going to do more work with fish and ocean animals, read some more cool books, and we're going to make some cool crafts next week, which should be lots of fun. So thank you so much for joining me. Give me some knuckles. Have a great weekend. I will see you on Monday. Bye.